The most used standard in the RPA Hospital Biomedical Engineering Department is the AS3551 Management Programs for Medical Equipment. This standard regards the safe implementation of medical equipment for clinical and at-home use. In this presentation, I'll be exploring the purpose, benefits, and the cost of implementation of the AS3551 standard. There are two main purposes of the AS3551 standard: patient safety and legal safety. There are many standards in the AS3551 that relate directly to the safety of the patient using the machine. One of the standards is 6.3.3.2, Basic Function Testing. This standard includes all of the elements of a medical device that must be tested to ensure patient safety. One of the most important sections of basic function testing is Part D, Safety Cutout and Protective Functions. This part outlines the cutout features that all devices must have if a fault is detected within the device. For example, a Cocoon patient warmer has a cutout temperature of 53 degrees Celsius to ensure that if the machine malfunctions and begins to provide a higher temperature than expected, the patient does not get burnt. Legal safety refers to the security of the biomedical engineering staff if a fault in the device causes harm to a patient. To avoid this occurring, the AS3551 standard states how often a device should undergo preventative maintenance. This maintenance takes the liability off the biomed staff if it is done correctly. 6.4.4 Recording of Preventative Maintenance Activities states the details that need to be recorded in order to ensure the legal safety of the biomed staff. In our department, we attach a color-coded sticker to each device once the preventative maintenance is complete in order to keep track of the service history of our devices. There are many benefits of having one large standard that encompasses the wide range of medical devices used in the hospital. The biggest benefit is obviously safety. The AS3551 standard ensures safety not only to the patient but also to the user, nurse or doctor, the technician, the biomed staff, and the hospital's legal safety, which has been previously outlined. Another benefit of the AS3551 standard is that it makes developing and implementing testing procedures for all equipment easy, as it outlines every element of a device that we must test before allowing a device to be used in the hospital. At RPA, we ensure all devices meet the AS3551 requirements by filling out a device-specific AS3551 test sheet for each device. The cost of implementing the standards in the AS3551 is very high. Devices must be manufactured in a way which ensures that they are completely safe to be used on patients for a number of years. This kind of manufacture is expensive as it requires teams of highly skilled engineers to oversee the design and production of even the most basic devices. Even though implementing all of these standards in the AS3551 has a high cost to the consumer, it ensures patient safety, which could save the hospital from facing legal trouble if a malfunction occurs. The AS3551 standard is the most used standard in my department, as it outlines all of the relevant information we need in order to make RPA Hospital as safe as possible.